Hey guys, it's GP054731 again, and I just got another package from Hong Kong. And I can tell what it is just from the smell of it. It's actually pretty strong. It's permeating through the box. And it's that telltale yellow box from E2046. This is RT1699 AGX041 Gerbera Tetra custom conversion parts for the GP01 master grade kit. That was manufactured back in 1997, so here it is. I don't know if this is from the GMG casting or if it's the SMS version, but I will find out as soon as I build it. I'll do some comparisons from the SMS site. Usually SMS uses, if they recasted and remodeled a kit, they usually just use the same instructions with the emblems on. So yeah, I'll be doing a proper unboxing on this one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, as I always appreciate that. See you guys later.